Okay, so we are at 7600 Forest Stream. This is a cool little house. I've already walked it. Seems pretty solid. So one story, you got brick on the exterior here. It's kind of like a pinkish color brick. It's got St. Augustine grass. You have a privacy fence. The house is pretty clean. Well, let's just look at the neighborhood first before we start talking about the house. So the neighborhood, houses look like they're pretty well kept. We've got a lot of hills going on, so it kind of goes up that way, kind of down. But the neighborhood does look good. The grass looks good. You got Bermuda grass in the front. You got two French drains since it's kind of slopes downward. You got two French drains that help with the irrigation. Gutters. Let's just look at this real quick. It's pretty nice. The door, it looks like they have a fresh paint job on the door. The door looks really clean. It's kind of like a grayish white, kind of like a light gray. Okay, so we walk in. Here's the living room. The floor is laminate wood-like floor. They have a shoe molding. It's not white, it's a different color. So this just I guess they did that, and it's all the way around. Then we got our kitchen over here. Bedrooms are over there. Utility room is over here. They removed all of the flooring and they went ahead and stained the concrete. So this is a concrete stain. So you got your dining area right here. Oak cabinets, a lot of cabinets. Got a little island right here. It looks like they did some work. They kind of painted over this. This is not granite. This is just Formica countertop. But it looks pretty cool. Looks pretty clean. Then we come into our utility room. Something bit me. I'm itching. Good size. Probably about 6 feet or so. 6 feet deep. Got some shelves over here. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video and upload another one.